What's up, Rich? How you feeling? Everything good?
Mm-hmm.
No Trinidad today, but we're gonna make it work.
Trinidad? Who? James? I'm serious.
And I got a little sun this weekend, so when you're doing the lighting, just keep that in mind. Yeah, exactly.
You want to show your tan off? Do you think you're gonna get sunburned on the set?
Damn, I disappeared.
Fortunately, Welty's got the fucking pulse orange jacket on, so he's not going anywhere.
Feeling himself too much, man.
Those new shoes.
Is that my Brendan?
No, you.
Oh, me?
I just want to figure out, do you want to stay? Like I said, we're gonna talk some stuff. Yeah. I don't know how you feel about that, or do you want to dip? It's up to you. We're not gonna be offended. I know, you know.
4, 3.
I'll shoot you out.
I want to be all up in here and don't know what the hell you have to come out. But nice to meet you, though. Bye.
Are you gonna propose to me here? What is that?
Thinking about it.
Propose.
I got notes, I got all sorts of stuff.
So you can break out a fucking pie chart?
I do have pie charts.
Welcome to my TED Talk.
Fucking Ross Perot up in this bitch.
Yeah, I'm gonna run and get some water from my dear friend Currency.
Okay.
You want ice?
Hey,
It makes me want to say no, that I don't want the ice or the water.
How you feeling?
I feel like it looks like you guys were just like, the way I walked in here, it's like you guys live here.
Yeah.
This is the tree house for you guys.
we waiting on you, man. Come fucking play.
Man, I was hoping to meet the editor.
Oh, we can definitely introduce you.
Adderall is a hell of a drug.
James.
How much weight?
Hey. On the gang.
James.
Game Ward.
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
Love
Good?
it. Yeah, mustache. Yeah.
Thank you, man.
They really on your mustache tough, huh?
Yeah, I'm with it. I'm prepared for war.
Can't wait to go drinking after this, dude.
That's how you feel, Welty?
Yeah.
How you feel?
It's been a long Monday, man.
Yeah, it's a long Monday.
I woke up on the couch at 3 a.m.
Hey, I had a long day yesterday. I could use one more pillow.
How's my hair look, Leela?
Crossing guard, that's what.
You didn't even look. How do my eyebrows look, Leela? I don't know if you actually look. No dandruff on my shoulders, y'all.
Adjust your mic a little bit.
Leela, 1 second, let me turn my phone off.
All phones on silent. Just safety precaution.
Yeah, sorry, I was just turning my phone off. Yeah. What's up, man? How you been?
That's the chain you just got last week or something? You just posted that one for the first time, right? Yeah. 150?
150 what?
How much? I thought you said like 150 for it.
No, that's not what it said.
Huh?
It's like 450.
Oh, he's really not here. His cup is gone.
I don't even know where he is, to be honest.
That's good.
What's up, everybody, to our trillions of viewers out there. This is a shout out to the, hold on, let me go again. I need to, yeah. Sorry, can I, what's up, everybody? This is another episode of Full Size. Oh, God.
You want me to do it?
No, I got it, bro.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, I'm just saying, I mean.
Let me just, this is my first time doing this.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Yeah.
Good, you got it. The man of the hour. What's up, brother?
Like I just saw you, brother.
I know, right? Exactly.
You guys
What's
know
up, man?
each
How you
other?
doing? How you doing? How you doing?
How you guys know each other?
We black.
Is that?
He's like, we're cousins, actually.
Yes,
Wait.
ma'am.
All right, let's get
Brendan, wait, it's the Legend League of
The League of Legends Pro League.
League of Legends
Research
Pro
right
League.
now.
It's my brother.
All right.
Oh, I got the orange Lamborghini. I had to go orange. What you mean?
Hard, my
Come
brother.
on, man.
You gotta run to your traffic security,
I hate you.
job real quick.
It's too early. The clock ain't even started yet. You already falling off.
I gotta get my own water. Guess we haven't blew up yet, gentlemen.
Mike, I'm just gonna have to reach down into your shirt a little bit. to
That's
get right
fine.
there.
Just
That's
don't
all.
squeeze my tits.
You got it.
Wife had been I came up here and beat my boy up. You can't beat my boy up, man.
Yeah. We got some water here for you.
Where my cup at?
Right here.
No, I'm looking for my cup.
You got something else you want to drink?
I got another cup.
Go off, Queen.
What is this? Washer. Says you're washed, Welty.
Oh no. Oh, not the monocle.
I'm saying it looks like it's fucking Halloween in here, bro.
Why does it look like it's?
Because he's got like this on, he's got this.
I got these on. That's what I know.
I dressed like you for the cold open.
Say that again?
I dressed up in like a Clark Kent outfit for the cold open. But I got like a 3XL like mixed jersey.
Yo, this man here.
New York fitted.
This man here.
Fits me though. When I wear, I'm wearing a 3XL. It fits. You know what I'm saying?
Adidas rivalries.
I'm off script.
Yeah, you got it, bro. You got to keep it real, man.
Just like Jigga, no pen.
I'm
right?
on too. I'm honest all the time.
Yes,
so
man.
I hope y'all are prepared.
Oh, that's all we do here.
Okay. Don't try to catch me up, cause I will be like, fuck y'all. No.
As you should. You know
So
that.
you've seen the show before.
It's Tatiana. Why do you keep saying Tatiana?
In the
Yeah, that's the whole point of the song.
What's up, Pimp? You good?
It was just like in a perfect.
Welty said bust down Clatiana.
Oh, y'all got ears in.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if I cut you off, it's because she's telling me to.
Yeah, we're talking about you behind your back, dude.
Crazy, man. You guys don't want any edibles or anything like that, do you?
Do you have any?
I got a couple cookies.
Like strong ones?
Chocolate cookies, like 26.5, they said.
I need more than that.
All right.
I need 1,000.
Y'all saw the Yeezy Buster one.
Okay, so you know exactly what time it is.
What'd you think about what happened to Yeezy Buster on the show?
Yo, you know,
Look at how red my lips look. Look like I just ate a bag of Cheetos. You think my lips look really red?
I'm looking.
Did you suck on a candy apple before you came out here?
Welty's looking nice and
Yeah.
like zombie. Looking like he just crawled out of a graveyard.
Yep.
Oh, I gotta pee. I gotta go pee so fucking bad. I have to pee so bad.
That was the longest episode ever.
Yeah, motherfucker, because you keep telling these long ass stories.
Brendan, that's the reason why the episode ran over, because I spoke for 4
What do you
minutes.
guys shoot for?
Thank you so much for having me. Marshall!
And that's a wrap for Full Size Run.
That's a full size. That's a full size. She want every color. That's a full size. Buy a 6 for my kids. Bought a 7 for my chick. My other girl a 10. What? Damn, that bitch big. Gucci socks with everything. Damn, that's that drip. Yo,